Did you know a man accidentally started the Black Death while losing a battle he was already losing? In 1346, the Mongol warlord Janibeg Khan was besieging Kaffa, a wealthy Genoese trading port on the Black Sea. He had every advantage. Then plague tore through his own army. Soldiers were dying faster than they could fight, so Janibeg made a decision. He ordered his men to load the infected corpses onto catapults and hurl them over the city walls. It was one of the first acts of biological warfare ever recorded, but it didn't work. The plague killed his army before it could break the city. He retreated. He lost. The Genoese merchants inside, desperate to escape, boarded ships and sailed west. They carried the pathogen with them. It reached Sicily within weeks, then Italy, then all of Europe. Within 7 years, roughly 1/3 of Europe's entire population was dead. Janibeg failed at the one thing he was trying to do and accidentally ended millions of lives as a side effect.